All right, guys, let me give you a tour of a property I'm working on. This property we are setting up for the Airbnb, and I will give you a tour before setting it up. So these are the two apartments. One of this apartment is under process. We are setting up. We are working on this. This is the entrance. This is the main lobby area, a kitchen, we are putting everything new here, all appliances, and all the amenities which are required and which fulfill, the requirement of Airbnb, as well as, the quality the guest look for. The bathroom work is still has going on, and I will take you upstairs where the bedding is. This is the tiny staircase. We go up from here, and on the upper floor, the furniture has come already, and this is the bed, and this is the cabinet. This is another bed. We have to arrange all this before putting it online, so we are working on it. I just wanted to give you an idea how the before and after looks like. So this is how it looks now, and I will show you the final version of it when the property is completely ready. So if you have any questions, just ask me. Consult IFA is always there to serve you and to give you an opportunity to have a passive income. Thank you very much, and we'll go downstairs and we'll exit. Here is the glimpse of it. This apartment is very small, tiny, easy to manage, easy to clean, and it is quite small, but the windows here gives an impression, and it looks it looks actually bigger than its actual size, and that is the beauty of it. You can see the new refrigerator, new shelves, everything new setting up in here, these cabinets and all. Love it. The microwave. Oh, I'm not going to open it until it's ready. So it's a very nice project. I'm enjoying it a lot. This is my first project here in Albania, so there we are. And this is the outside. We will definitely arrange it in a way which is easy for the guest to find out.